Hi, this is Asha. I'm happy to make my 13th run this year. And thanks, KaarTech. This is the second time I'm participating in their sponsorship. So it was great fun to run with the team.
Hello all, I am at the Chennai Rolling Run sponsored by KaarTech, and this is my first marathon that I'm participating and happy to end.
I'm happy to be part of this marathon, and this is my second marathon in KaarTech. Thanks for sponsoring this.
I completed my 10K in 50 minutes. It is my 30th marathon. Thanks for KaarTech for sponsoring.
So it's been almost 5 years since I had my last run. So I had a wonderful experience.
I'm so happy to be a part of this Chennai Rolling Run, sponsored by KaarTech. Thanks for this experience.
Thank you KaarTech for sponsoring Chennai Marathon Run event. I'm happy to be part of it.